Okay, so listen. Hubby said I'm focused, so we're totally trusting him because with these contacts way back there, I can't really tell. What's up, good people? Hey! Now you know what's coming, right? You know what's coming, right? Coming to you with another video. Hey, coming to you with another video. Ricky. I had to slow it down for my little music. Hey. I had coffee earlier today, so I'm just high on my own supply. Like, you know, my own energy, because, you know, per the usual. I want to get some logistics out of the way. Numero uno, okay? Make sure that you subscribe, you guys, because I just want to make sure that you join the fan bam. So I will just give you a minute for that. No, I'm just kidding. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss anything, okay? I am super happy. You guys don't understand. I love doing these YouTube videos. So to make sure that all bases are covered, I had to bring it down. Make sure that you click the bell. If you click the bell, you will definitely get notifications every time I upload a video, okay? But if you are not comfortable with doing the bell, make sure you check my channel weekly because I upload a video weekly. It's usually midweek or on the weekends. So just make sure you check it out weekly so you don't miss it, okay? The other thing I wanted to talk about, two things. As you can see right here, like, I'm not really looking like Connect the Dots that much anymore. Like, this bump has like gone away and the scar is actually leaving because of my skincare regimen, y'all. And if you don't know, now you know. I have a skincare book on Amazon called Crystal Clear. And I also have a jewelry company called CK Jewels, which you can find on Instagram. Now, here's the thing. Some people are like, oh my gosh, did you really put that in the video? Like, is this makeup or is this jewelry or is this a book or, you know what I mean? Here's the thing. Listen, I mean, if you don't support yourself and your family doesn't support you, who's going to support you? So don't be afraid to toot your own horn, girl. Toot. I'm just saying, I'm pretty sure that Walmart didn't become Walmart by not telling anybody about it. So, millionaire mindset. I'm letting y'all all know. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to get started, but I'm going to tell you right now that this right here, my little mirror situation, you're going to see her because there's no way that I can do brows without putting this all up in my grill. But I'm going to use this brow pomade by LA Girl, and it is in the shade Warm Brown. And then I also got some gel from Stelazzi, but because this is not marketed as a brow gel, I will use it in another. I might use it today as a liner, actually. Ooh, look at here. Look at here. But this is what the Warm Brown looks like. Now that may be a little closer to my Ofra, and I probably should have gone here first. Now this is supposed to be smudge proof as well, so I don't know, hunty. This is definitely better. I should have gone into this one first. All right, so I am going to finish this off, and then I'm gonna come back. Ooh, probably got too much. And we're back for round two. Just kidding. But I told you that I wanted to play around with some shadows from the vault. Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. The vault. That's better. When you open it, there is Jaclyn. Hey, girl. And so I took the liberty of taking the palettes out. And so this is actually a great experimentation for me as well, because I told you guys I'm gonna be traveling. I cannot wait to vlog and share with you guys because I'm super duper excited. It's about to be a like jam-packed weekend, but it's all good because it's fun too. Now this is Ring the Alarm. I think this is the one that I'm using today. Bam! This right here, I think that's about to be my girl. And then this one is Bling Boss. Like a boss. Right there. Ooh, she's pretty too. I'm gonna go into, I don't know, girl. I think I'm gonna go into this shade. Let's go into Mugshot first. I think I'm gonna freaking love this. Now, the disclaimer that I was gonna get, I think I'm gonna like this palette. Now, the disclaimer I was gonna give you guys was that I heard, or not just heard, but it was actually like Trend Mood posted it on her Instagram, that Morphe is going to delay, I guess, the third release of this vault thing or something. I don't even know what the launch day is. I don't know. Just check Morphe's site for more information. But I'm going to tell you right now, I think that I'll probably just take this palette or something like that. Oh my Lord, this is cute. And it's really compact. You understand what I'm saying? And 15 bucks, you could totally like replace that easily. I like, and I'm going to go into the shade Alert because I really want a bright look. This is Alert right here. I just want it like summery. Honey. Boom. Boom, boom. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. Now here's the kicker though. Are they going to have a brow bone that I'm going to like? Because listen to me. I will take a whole nother palette just for a brow bone. You hear me? That is gorgeous. I approve. C-Key approve. Now brow bone. That ain't it. That palette is not a brow bone. Okay. And all my other palettes are way over there. So we're going to have to find one. Come on through here, Jaclyn. I'm using the Morphe 3502. Dang it. I'm probably going to have to take this with me. Or either take, I don't know. This is, do y'all see how perfect that is? That's why. Like, I will definitely take it. You understand me? The Stellazzi Jet Black, I'm going to use that as a liner. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to do like foundation and concealer. Actually primer, because I'm going to try a new primer too. All right. Hey. I don't know about you, but I'm here for the shadow. Yes. And if you think it's cool, just wait till I get through. I got bars and vocals. Yeah. I'm so excited. Man, I love when I like a product. Okay. No, I love when I love a product. So the next product that I'm going to use is this Too Faced Hangover Primer Girl. Now, I haven't used it in a very long time. This is a baby one. They actually sent me a mama bear and a baby bear. And I'm going to use the baby bear today. And the reason I'm going to use it is because I know that it's hydrating. And you guys, ooh, and it smells like coconut. I forgot about that. And guess what? Before we get into this primer, I think that the brows are okay. It's not like my Ofra or anything, but like, it's cool. It's cool. I'm feeling it. It's all right. I don't even know how much it is, but this smells good. So anyway, this is the Hangover Primer. And the reason I chose the Hangover Primer today is because, like I said, wow, that's hydrating. Like I said, I haven't used it in a while, so it's kind of like using new products because it's been years. I should have addressed this in the beginning of the video, girl. Number one, I know you guys are waiting for me at the door because I'm getting messages on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere you can think about the ColourPop foundation. Now, I did not get it because I didn't know if they were going to send it to me because you guys know I get a lot of PR packages from ColourPop. But since I haven't seen it roll on through, I went ahead and I placed an order for 2. I got bars. So I don't even remember which one I got, but I got a couple of them and I got the banana powder. So that will be coming soon. So I'm going to be using this concealer, Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm going to be using that, and I know that you guys are wondering about the Born This Way foundation that Jackie Ina helped with. I believe she helped with this as well. But the foundation, hopefully they are sending that also. I will be going to the event where they are celebrating the launch of this new foundation, or the long line, or different shades, the inclusive shades, I should say, where Jackie Ina collaborated with them, you guys. So I will be going to that. I'm going to try to vlog that. It's going to be at night. But for now, since I have the concealer, and it looks like I got different tones, girl, I am going to be using this Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So we're going to try that today. But first, I am going to do a little bit of correcting under my eye with the Makeup Forever R50, and then I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, but I like the shade Dark Warm as a corrector. I'm going to put that on, and I already have like a somewhat of a review of this foundation, or a first impression or something, you guys. I'm going to use the Peach Perfect foundation. I think I'm going to mix Toffee and Chestnut this time, but I will link that other video for you to take a look-see, and when I come back, it will be time for me to use that concealer, girl, okay? I'm here for it. Oh, especially when you get that like foundation on. I'm telling y'all, once you do the eyes and then you pop that foundation on, it sets it off. Do you understand? Like, look, listen, I'm a Morphe. Because listen, that palette, oh my, I don't even remember which one. I think it was Bling the Alarm or Ring the Alarm or something like that. This is amazing. I'm excited. So anyway, I'm just patting that foundation on because the more I put this foundation on and get my life together, I'm like, these eyes. So anyway, this is called the Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And like I said, I will showcase this and do like a wear test of this when I do the foundation if you guys like, because I don't think I've ever done one of that foundation. So I'll add this to it. So I think I am going to go into butterscotch. Now I'm going to swatch honey, I'm going to swatch mocha, and I'm going to swatch butterscotch. But I think that butterscotch, what? I think that butterscotch will be my shade, but let's just see. Dude, this is thick for some concealer. Like, it's a big bottle. How much is in here? It is like 15 milliliters, 0.50 ounces, I think. And it is good for 12 months. Get it? And oh, it's thick. It's thick, honey. And this is honey. It's thick, honey. That's, honey, maybe me. I don't know. Mocha and butterscotch look very similar. So I think I'm going to get yet another one to see if I want to go a little lighter. All right. So this one right here is called Warm Sand. I may use this one. Oh, I think I'm going to do Warm Sand. This is going to be in my kit for sure. This looks good. And y'all know it's in my vanity drawer, but they have the Too Faced, what is it called? I can't remember what the concealer was called, but they had another concealer, you guys, that I used to love, 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 but I pretty much use the one that I use all the time, but it's bomb. I can't remember the name of it, but I do have a video on it. I have a full review of the whole collection, so I am sure their concealer is not going to disappoint. But let me show you the darkest one, you guys. You guys are going to be like, what the what? What the birthday? Yes, honey, they got it covered. And this is concealer. This is not foundation. That is the darkest one, which is darker than my skin. So even if you are like super dark and you need a highlight and that is like your highlight, they got you covered, man. Let's see how it blends out, because which one did we say we're going to use? We said we're going to go with Warm Sand. I got options here. Do you understand me? We got undertones. We got like shades. I'm pretty impressed already and haven't started. So let's blend it all together. Look how creamy. And it does seem to be full. My TV is way over there, y'all. Look at that. Look how it blends together. And you see I even put the dark one in there. Look at it. Too Faced, I think you onto something. Maybe I'll use this one to go ahead and contour my nose. It's really deep, but I think it should be okay. Because it says conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. And it even says, yeah, something in another language that I don't understand. But it says super coverage, girl. Super, super, super. Let's see. Marsha. Oh, girl, that's bright. Maybe I shouldn't have. Okay, I'm going to go on top with butterscotch up there. Okay, butterscotch, here we come. To get me right up in here. Oh, my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, wait a minute. Like, that's sitting there. Oh Lord, wait a minute. I need help. I need help. Wait, mocha. Come through, mocha. Oh my goodness. Becky, look. No, I'm just kidding. Do y'all see how that's sitting there? Help. Oh, okay. I thought I was stuck. It's blending. But I don't know if you guys saw that it wasn't moving for a minute. Ooh, that kind of patched out, huh? So don't let it dry too long. You let it dry too long, it's hard to blend out. I'm going to go into maple. And I'm just going to put a little right here to give me some of my color back. Because that was light. All this makeup. But it's okay. Well, you got to see some of the colors. Look at it that way. I do not practice these videos before I do them. I literally like turn the camera on and we go in. And that's how we living. And so it's good because this way you guys get to see how this stuff works, how it operates. Like if I have situations, I want y'all to see it. You know what I mean? And another way that you could fix something like that is you could just contour. But I just decided to go in with like my foundation again. So now let's do that. Let's contour a little bit. So don't let that sit too long, okay? Now, usually I wouldn't use something that dark, but I should have learned from being lazy the last time, right? But anyway, I like to take my finger and blend it out. And when you do your contour, you want to bring that contour all the way up to the bridge of your nose, almost in your eye socket, because that is how we are naturally contoured. And so you want to, you want to follow that natural contour, okay? Actually, that's a snatch my nose, girl. That's bomb. So I'm going to go into this Black Radiance powder real quick. And I'm going to set this under eye, y'all. Now that, I'm going to let her marinate. But I'm going to put on my BH Cosmetics powder. I'm going to get something going on with this hair situation. And then we're going to come back and we're going to play with some gloss. And I have a whole, it almost fell. I have a whole bunch of ColourPop glosses to play with. And so I'm thinking we're going to play off this orangey look. So I'll come back with that too. Look at that right there. Ooh, maybe, maybe not. Champagne Mommy. I'm going to use Champagne Mommy. Because, ooh, and it has like a little thing that you swipe. Oh my God. This smells like candy. Okay, let's try Secret Weapon. Secret Weapon. Ooh, see? See how like that's sticky, like, see how that goes? Y'all see that? It's like stringy. Maybe that means it's gonna last. I thought it was like a soft bristle, but it's not. This really doesn't go with the orange that I got going on here. But let's try to mix this red and see if it gives me what I need. The red is called Magnarin. I think y'all, my contacts be playing tricks on me. This is some juicy gloss, but that's not the color I want. Let's try Flying Horses. This is like my perfect nude almost. It's like the color of my lips. I guess that's how we're rolling. We may do a little shimmer, but I love you guys so much. I appreciate all of your support. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this where I just try stuff and we just go for what we know, all right? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put your notifications on. Don't forget to follow me everywhere. Seeky Beauty, Seeky Jewels, Snapchat, like Instagram, everywhere, girl. I'm everywhere, okay? You look that way, I'm there. That way, I'm there. But anyway, I love you guys so much. You guys have an awesome, blessed day. And I will see you sooner than you think. Bye.
Seeky Beauty, confidence is key. You know what I mean. A woman feels good when she's looking pretty. I don't need no Benz, Lexus, or a Range Rover. Just give your girl a bomb Seeky Beauty makeover.